Uh, so marketing intelligence can use the internet to collect the data. The marketers can reach the strength and weakness of the competitors online on 5 different ways, right? So now you see this is very common, right? Marketers normally involves gathering and analyzing and utilizing data to inform marketing decisions, right? So I surfing the internet to collect the data to understand the competitors. So then internet offers a wealth of resources. There are a lot of resources available uh, on the internet, right, for marketers to collect data about competitors. So helping them understand both the strength and weakness, right? So then here are 5 ways. So one is the independent customer quotes and review forums. So then you should know that there are a lot of independent forums available, right? So then these forums uh, dedicated to customer reviews of product and services. Normally, customers they themselves purchase the product and provide the reviews. So you also can see even nowadays in YouTube, Facebook also product related reviews also there. So then unboxing like that, they are putting some reels in TikTok and Instagram. So that also kind of a review. So then platforms are decided to uh, dedicated, right, to customer review of products and services. They provide insights, right? They provide insights into customer satisfaction, common issues, and competitive advantage, right? So they provide insights into customer satisfaction and what are the common issues they are having when they are using the product, and what are the competitive advantage, right? So then we can see some example. Uh, a company like Nike can use Rust Rust Pilot to see customers review their products versus competitors like Adidas, right? Analyzing reviews can reveal areas where Nike excels, right? So then the review can understand customers always appreciating the Nike's features compared to the Adidas or like the design, comfort, and where it might need improvement. Sometimes customers are criticizing Nike's prices may be expensive compared to the competitive products like Adidas. So then they can think about how they can improve the pricing, they can improve the customer service. This kind of information may be available in the websites like Rust Pilot. So then we will see that websites, right? Right. And another thing is a kind of distributor or sales agent feedback sites. Sales agents feedback sites. So these sites collect feedback from distributors or sales agents about products they handle. This feedback can give some insights into supply chain efficiency, how they are performing well, and right sales support effectiveness, how they are providing the sales support, right? So then we can see some example about the G2, a software company, right, such as Salesforce, right, might use G2 to understand how distributors and resellers perceives their products compared to competitors like a HubSpot, right? So then this can help the Salesforce identify strength in the its product offerings and areas where distributors face challenges. So then now you see we can search some example uh, G2. So G2, so distributors feedback sites. right? So then distribution engine reviews. So then here they provide the distributors, the distribution engine reviews and product details. What is distribution? What is distribution engine? Distribution engine developed by NC Squared is a market leading, right? Uh, Market leading fully native applications for routing and assigning work in Salesforce. So it can be used to distribute leads and opportunities to marketing and sales teams, case and task to customer service or project teams and accounts and contacts to the appropriate owner. The easily configurable, intelligent, rule-based assignment engine ensures any standard or customer Salesforce objects are automatically distributed to the right person at the right time, first time, and every time. Automate and monitor your assignment workflow and streamline your team performance with the distribution engine, right? So then through this, how they are using these distribution engines. So then their reviews also there. Here you see C, right, small business and enterprise, more than 1,000 employees. Skylar a really easy to set up and manage, create a way, right? So then this feedback, they are giving a feedback about, right? So now you see, and there sets also this overall sentiment for distribution engine, right? So when you go and read these reviews and the feedback, you can understand how these distributions are uh, right working. Right. So then another one, composites offering custom reviews and export opinions. Combo review. So composites means these sites provide combination of user reviews and export analysis. Previously, we discussed about independent review forums. Only the customers can review. But combo sites, it's a combination of the reviews of the users as well as the experts, analyzing, offering, and balanced view of product performance and market positioning. So that's why sometimes they try to get some neutral opinion, right? So then example also there, CNET, right? Then an electronic company like Samsung can use CNET to compare expert reviews and customer feedback on their smartphone versus competitors like Apple. This dual perspective can highlight technical advantages and user experience insights. Now we can see that CNET website. So then, here, this is right, your guide to better future. Renting a tech money for wellness. So then this is a website. We can go to the review site. So then this is a review about Galaxy S24 Plus hands-on. Samsung Ultra might not be want to buy, right? If you want to update your mobile phone, right, information also, you can search and you can find how these reviewers are providing informations. So then this is a write-up about the phone. Taking the pictures and right, explaining the quality of the camera, right? So then they are giving their reviews and the details as well. So then here you see the person may be the user as well as the expert, and they can provide their experience as well as their expert opinion in this site. So these are very useful to the competitors. Even Apple also can observe these reviews to understand, right, how this Samsung is introducing this new model, and Apple will definitely, right, work to improve their forthcoming models. And another one, customer compliance side. So that all you can understand that there are dedicated to the customer compliance sites. Customers have post about their negative experiences can be so very useful or goldmine for understanding common pitfalls or drawbacks, right? And they can identify the uh, area for improvement. So that's why, like a car manufacturer, uh, like a Toyota can monitor customer affairs to track complaints about their vehicles compared to competitors like Honda. So frequent issues such as mechanical failures or customer survey platform can be identified and traced, right? So then we can see uh, the website customer complaint. Right, yes, you see here when you search consumer complaints about a Honda, Toyota, so they're like that, this consumeraffairs.com, right? Toyota reviews. So about Toyota, Toyota is Japanese and one point so on. Their reviews also, Toyota reviews. 5 star 6%, one star 78%. So normally these are the negative compliance because there's no way to describe how slow things are running. I put an order on 19th March 2024 for a Toyota Yaris and still I haven't delivered. Though I was reassured from the sales that it will be delivered within a 2 months period, there must be a major problem with the CEOs in Athens if they can't synchronize the production line with the market's demand. It is simpler to say it is a fantastic car. It's sold out at once. So if you want to put an order, you will have to wait for 3 to 4, 5 months. The staff is polite, but little help as they can do nothing. Big problem also to get the license number, more than 10 days delay. It depends from public servant service, but a huge company as a Toyota would do more, even as a formal complaint to who it may concern in the government of the 21st century. So like that, the companies, another right review. So don't buy a Toyota Highlander hybrid. Toyota has a major flaw in its hybrid battery system and refused to recall. We own two different models. We are 5 years apart. Yeah, Toyota knows there is an issue with the water intrusion into the hybrid battery compartment that short out the batteries and will completely stand due, and it sets you back a $3,000 each time it happens. They will tell you they have to perform a test to determine where the water in enter, right? Replace sensors and attend to water flow. So another 5 star, 4 star review is there. I have been satisfied with the Toyotas, but disappointed in 2021 Avalon. Expected to have a compass or garage door opener, but it did not. Right, so visibly of gauges while driving road and wind noise is blower motor bearings will fail after 42,800 miles. So now you see these are the complaints, contact and review from the Toyota's complaint sites. They can collect this information that may be very useful to them to consider in their performance as well. And another one is the last one, right? So marketing intelligence, right? So can use some different the ways to collect the data from online. That is a public blocks. So blocks normally you see nowadays is available. The block you all know that's a kind of a platforms online platforms. Blocks can provide in-depth analysis, personal experiences, and professional opinions on various products and services. They often reflect trends and emerging issues within an industry, right? They often reflect trends and emerging issues with the industry. They can see uh, a technology firm like Microsoft can follow TechCrunch to stay updated on industry trends and how their products are perceived compared to competitors like Google. So the bloggers often discuss innovation, performance, user experience in detailed manner. So then we can check that how it is working, right? Right now I search the tech, right? TechCrunch Microsoft. So then they automatically in the search results also giving that tech, right? So Microsoft, uh, right? Search startups, ventures, Apple. So the Microsoft has benefited substantially from the rise of AI. Its partnership and close relations with OpenAI has continued through 2024 as it looks to establish its Copilot chatbots as a go-to tool go to tool across its software and hardware offerings, even dedicating a button to it on future Windows device keyboards. TechCrunch covers those developments and its other recent moves like unbundling Teams and Office and successfully defeating an antitrust challenge against its acquisitions of Activision, Blizzard's, right? So they like that. Another one, Sketches. Here are the hottest products announcements from Apple, Google, Microsoft, and others so far in 2024. The 20 June 28th latest information. If you also want to update your knowledge related to this technological products in the market, you can visit these websites. So these are the updates you, as a marketing student, you have to use to update the latest news. So this is Apple. If you love gadgets and gizmos, this year's product conference are having them aplenty. We have walked through the many product announcements made by the biggest tech companies and product trade shows of the year so far and compiled them into this list. It features items we think are the most important or the most interesting so far. This list covers Apple, WWDC, Apple Let Plus, Google, IO, Microsoft Build, Mobile World Congress, CES, like that. Apple, WWDC, right? Apple Intelligence. The biggest buzz at this show was the new feature called Apple Intelligence. Apple will be adding its own AI via a combination of non-device processing and cloud processing in many Apple apps, giving them features like writing help or image editing. Apple promised its AI will be highly personalized and will be the safety at its core. And Apple also revealed how developers will soon be able to bring the Apple Intelligence experience into their software, allowing for things like image generation, new prompts to Siri, right? So the Apple also working with OpenAI to allow its device users to access OpenAI with plans to add options to other LLMs in the future, right? Language learning models, LLMs. So Apple's new password apps also there. While you can already use your iCloud account to store and sync password across your devices, it was not easy to figure out. The new passwords app will include new features like a new column on the left that lets you more easily navigate your password collection. For instance, you can view all your password or just Wi-Fi password, new button, passkeys or codes that are related and macOS CQ, iOS 18. So the latest operating system version is called macOS CQ. One of the biggest features in is iPhone mirroring, which lets you control your iPhone from your Mac. Right. So like that, another one, Apple let loose. Right. So then Apple iPad Air with M2 chip, iPad Pro with M4. Right. Inside the M4 chip, inside Tandem OLED, Apple Pencil Pro, and Magic Keyboard. These are the Google, another one. Two top new AI products and features unveiled by the Google as well. Right, Wear OS 5, Tensor Processing Unit, Pixel 8, SLAT, Gemini 1.54, Axion, Microsoft Build, right, Copilot PC. So now you see these are the latest. So then the companies want to update the latest knowledges, right? They can, uh, right, visit these websites to update the name. So yes, today we will discuss about how the companies, right, marketing intelligence. So then how the companies are using 5 different ways to collect the data. So then we can find out here.